Gorgeous. And then the morning and evening are not. It's a video. I'm recording. Hello.
Yummy. I think Mexican's kind of good.
Are you serious? They just started walking around this way, I think. Oh no, they're right there in front of you. We're getting wet. What is this? It's a big ant.
For all of them. All of them.
I'll eat your pineapple.
Go for it. Is this the warm one? I think this might have been it. Or do you want to go to the big one? Where do we put our stuff?
Hold on a minute.
Oh.
Hi. There's a gator. Burn it. Burn it. Burn it. We're walking in the rain and we just got to the sushi bar. We're just having another happy hour.
Yeah, this is the second happy hour.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, there's Michael. We found a frog. A little froggy.